Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is 3D Mesh Tutorials. I go with RUDY Tutorials and I'm in Coppercube 6.6. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use a raycast. It's not raycast, I use a different method. So you can open doors from a distance or pick up stuff from a certain distance. Okay, because we all know in Coppercube that is not there's no tutorials about that, so I'm just gonna import a cube. Okay, it's quite big, but I'm gonna scale up the platform because we're gonna import a camera. We need a camera to interact with the objects. Okay, so let me just set up the scene. This is very short notice, so the subscriber or viewer, I don't know if he subscribed yet, but if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, smack that like button. I'm gonna show him how to use distance in Coppercube by clicking on objects or interacting with objects. Okay, so I'm setting up the scene now. We're just gonna use a cube and a camera. It's gonna be a very short tutorial, so guys, I hope this helps you. Let's choose the camera, first person camera. Okay, let's keep it simple. I'm just going to position everything so that we can start the tutorial. You can skip the video to where I start the tutorial, or you can wait, because I'm gonna let you in on a few tips on this. Using objects in front of your camera, placing objects in front of your camera. We all know that even in reality, if there's something in front of your face, you won't be able to see what's behind it. So that is the method I'm using. I'm importing an object like a transparent object. I'm using a mesh object in Coppercube to block the view of the camera. As you can see there, you have your first person camera, a character now, and everything is active. As you can see, it's drag and drop. So the next thing we're gonna do, I'm in the hierarchy. I'm gonna go to the cube. Let me just adjust the camera speed and rotation and jump. I'm not gonna use the jump, but just in case. Okay, let's see how that works out. There you go. Okay, that's much better workflow. So I'm gonna start the tutorial now. We need to head over to the hierarchy. Okay, so like I said, a camera has a view distance, and it's got like a portal where everything is displayed in. So if you block that view with something, nothing's gonna happen. But let's go to the hierarchy. I'm on the cube. Okay, as you can see there, you have all the parameters: position, rotation, and scale. You can enable, disable the collider. Let me show you. I just disabled it, so you can walk through the objects. Okay, if there's any objects you're not gonna interact with, you can leave the collider. Okay, there's the collider on, and as you can see, you are bumping into the box. You can stand on top of it because now there's physics applied. Collider. Okay, that's for collision. Right, the next thing we're gonna do is there's materials. You can swap out the materials. Okay, as you can see there, this is the material palette where you can change your materials on your object. Right, I'm gonna show you how to import textures, but in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use distance to interact on your objects. We're gonna use the behavior when clicked on do something. Okay, because I want the cube to hide. When I click on the cube, okay, hide or unhide a C node, make visible. Okay, choose make visible, press OK. Okay, you need to choose the node you want to interact with, and that is gonna be the cube mesh 1. Right, press OK. Let's play. When you click on it, it's supposed to disappear. Okay, like you see there, it disappeared, it's gone. Poof, where did it go? Okay, so that is sorted. The next step, let's check again. That's from a distance. Okay, and you don't want that. You want the oops, sorry, I fell. I'm just gonna move everything so that we can have a distance to work with, so you guys can see what I'm trying to show you. It's very easy. Okay, this is just the setup where I show you. This is your item you're interacting with. I'm clicking on it. It's the same purpose for everything, guys, whether it's a door, whether it's something you pick up, whether it's a loading bar, whatever. Okay, you just need to block the camera's view. So there's your distance, as you can see there. Your camera have a perfect view of everything in front of it, so we need to block that view. And to enable to block that view, there's a raycast going out. You won't be able to see it, so we need to block that raycast. And this is where I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm gonna choose a plane and I'm gonna put it on 5x5 because it doesn't need to be so big. We can scale it up again if we see there's still some interaction going on with the camera and the object. But for now, let's just place this skin mesh, align it with that green line. That is the camera's view where it's looking at when the game opens. As soon as the camera is active, it looks at that certain location. Okay, so I'm going to rotate it on a -90. I think that's the x-axis, right? Now it's facing the camera. One side is transparent and the other side is visible, so you need to rotate it. If it's not visible, it won't work on the other side. Okay, if you make it a double-sided, it will work. So I'm gonna rename this in the hierarchy cam blocker, or you can call it view blocker. Doesn't matter what you call it, as long as you know, cause I use variables and then I know it's already named. Okay, I made a mistake there. Let's play and see. There's the blocker. As you can see, I need to walk to the, I'm clicking, nothing happens because I'm blocking it. Now that, okay, let's leave that part. Don't worry about that part, it's working. Let's go again. Okay, I'm clicking from a distance now. You won't be able to see, but there the cube is still there. You see, it won't work. I'm clicking madly here, guys. You won't be able to hear it, but I'm clicking on my mouse. So in order to see what's happening on the other side, we're gonna put transparency on that mesh. Okay, so the next thing we can do is we can scale it down. Okay, it doesn't need to be so big. Oh, there you go. It's still working, as you can see. Nothing happens. I'm clicking. Okay, the reason why that happened, this mesh is now too small and it's not aligned properly. So you need to play around with that mesh, the view blocker, cam blocker, whatever you call it, so that it doesn't see anything, the camera doesn't see anything in front of it. I hope you're with me, guys. Okay, so we are blocking the camera's view at this moment and I'm using a mesh. Okay, as you can see there, I'm clicking from a distance as I'm walking. Nothing happens, nothing happens, nothing happens. I'm going way back, nothing happens, nothing happens. Okay, and there I push the mesh within the cube. When it's in the cube and then the camera can't see it, you can see it but the camera can't see it. Okay, it's much further now. As you can see, as soon as the mesh goes through the door knob, you will be able to click it, and that is your distance. Your character is already in front of the door, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna create a door quickly. It's working. Okay, that part, it's working. This part, you can watch it if you want to. Same purpose. I'm just going to create a door because this, like I said, short notice. The subscriber viewer asked me to make a tutorial about this raycasting and interacting with objects where you want the player to be from a distance or short distance or whatever. Okay, I just showed you now how to create a cam blocker so that you can open doors and pick up stuff from a certain distance, right? My name is 3D Mesh Tutorials. I go with RUDY Tutorials. I have a YouTube channel on creating games, 3D models, and all of that awesome stuff. If you need something on gaming, help on gaming, I will be available in my channel. There is a bunch of tutorial, guys. There must be something that can help you and that is useful. So head over to my channel, and if you like my videos and it's helpful, please support me by subscribing. Please hit that like button. It helps a lot for YouTube to put out my videos so more people can see it, or share my videos. That will also be awesome. Like I said, this tutorial is all about showing you how to use raycasting, opening doors from a distance, and picking up stuff from a distance. This is my method. If there's a much easier method out there without using scripts, give me a link to that video. That will also teach me something. Okay. But this is now the method I use in all my games and projects, to open stuff and pick up stuff from a distance. Please watch this video again if you don't understand, and if it's still too complicated for you to understand, I would like to upload this project to itch.io or to Google Drive, but at the moment my internet is so poor. I'm in South Africa, you know, things are going on here, it's happening, this place is falling apart. I'm so unhappy about that. I'm disgusted actually, but I'm keeping my head up. I'm going on strong, and I hope everything turns out for the best. Yeah, there's the door. I'm creating a door. I'm just using cubes, and the commentary is done by now, guys. I'm using the same cube with the same actions and behaviors. You just need to put in rotation on your door, and then you are good to go. My name is 3D Mesh Tutorials. I go with RUDY Tutorials. This is a tutorial how to open and close doors with raycast, picking up items and all of that awesome stuff. I have also videos in my channel on how to chop down trees, pick up the logs, and building your cabin or whatever object you want. There's also crafting going on. That tutorial is still in process, so you can head over to my channel, watch part 1. I uploaded part 3, and yes, okay. I'll see you in the next video, guys.